Hey, we are still celebrating conservation and of course our beautiful gorillas. This year we have named plenty of gorillas, but my favorite was Kunda, Chubahiro and Tekana. Exactly what Rwanda stands for. Look around. The green nature, the wetland, the biodiversity. Isn't this place breathtaking?
The Rwanda Green Fund is a catalyst for our country's green and climate resilient future. The reason why we have sponsored Kwitizina 20th is because Kwitizina is beyond the celebration of the naming of baby gorillas. Kwitizina is a global platform where Rwanda showcases its leadership in conservation, sustainable tourism, and community development. By promoting Kwita Izina, we reaffirm our commitment to protecting our biodiversity and improving livelihoods.
Here at the Kwitizina Golf Tournament, every swing represents something crucial, a reminder that conservation matters.